While the majority of Firestop systems are UL systems, there are also other independent third-party testing agencies that publish systems for installing Firestop products. It are the details in these tested listed systems that you will be inspecting against.
First, always ensure that the rating of the Firestop system to be installed is equal to or greater than the assembly or assemblies being Firestopped. Often, in new construction, it's easy to find the life safety drawings to identify the rated assemblies and their corresponding hourly rating. However, in renovation projects, where drawings may not be available, you can look for indications of a fire rating, such as previously installed Firestop systems, fire windows or doors, fire damper ducts, or even wall stenciling. Next, you will want to verify the opening size and make sure that it fits within the parameters of the chosen system. Then identify all of the penetrating items, their type, and their maximum size. For metallic pipe conditions, you'll need to know if it's steel, iron, copper, or steel conduit. For combustible penetrants, such as plastic pipe, you'll need to know if it's PVC, CPVC, or ABS, for example. The pipe diameter, insulation type, and thickness are also factors in proper system selection. And when dealing with cables, you will need to identify the type of cable, the exterior jacketing, spacing of cables or bundles, and also the bundle size itself. Finally, unless using a fire-rated device such as EasyPath, the fill percentage of the opening will need to be calculated. These penetrations, along with others such as cable trays, busway, ducts, and multiple mixed penetrants, will always have minimum and maximum annular space requirements. Penetrations with larger annular space may require forming, packing, or backing materials such as mineral wool. However, it's worth noting that some systems allow for this material to be optional.
It should go without saying that the specific fire-stopping product being installed is absolutely critical, as is the installed amount, depth, and location. There are many different products that look similar. They may even be red. And you'll want to verify that the supplied products have labels from recognized quality assurance agencies. For penetrations, you're going to want to look for ASTM E814 or UL 1479 on the label. Finally, the system details will tell you if any accessory items such as anchors, fasteners, securing devices, or plates, for instance, are required.